In the last segment, we saw an overview of the different methods that we may use to compare lease options on a property. In this segment, we're going to focus on comparing the net present value of two alternatives using a single discount rate. In this segment, we will of leasing versus owning. To begin the NPV method, set up a T-bar for each scenario, leasing and owning. Then reduce each alternative to their cash flows after tax and place them on a T-bar. Next, calculate the NPV of each alternative using the appropriate discount rate given by the user. Whichever NPV is greater is the best economic choice for the user, as it represents the lowest amount of cost. For example, let's say that you've identified a building that would be perfect for Save-A-Lot stores, a large national small box retail chain. The developer of the building is willing to sell or lease the property, and your job is to find out which option is best for Save-A-Lot. Review the details of the scenario by clicking on the problem set button below, or review the sample problem from the course resources. In the next few slides, we'll go through steps to find the user's best option via the NPV method. First, we need to calculate the tax savings in the leasing alternative. As we discussed earlier, rent is a tax-deductible business expense. Since we are using cash flows after tax, we need to make sure that the tax benefit is accounted for. We can do this by subtracting the tax savings from the lease payment to arrive at the annual cash flows after tax from leasing. To find this, we will multiply the annual net rent by the user's tax rate and then subtract the two to find the annual cash flows after tax. For Save-A-Lot, we will multiply the annual net rent $120,000 by their corporate tax rate of 21% to find a tax savings of $25,200 annually. Subtract the tax savings from the net rent to find the cash flows after tax of $94,800. For this example, we have selected a after-tax average cost of capital. Use the CCIM financial calculator to find the NPV of the cash flows after tax for leasing. Click on the button below for help. $863,430. Now let's calculate the NPV of the owning alternative. Reduce the cash in your CCIM cash flow forms to an NPV using a discount rate of 7%. The NPV of the own alternative is negative $795,006. Use the buttons below to reveal the numbers for the T-bar and the solution if you would like to check your work. Both resulting values are negative, so we choose the lower cost option, or highest value. From an economic standpoint, according to the NPV method, it is a better option for Save-A-Lot to purchase the property. In the next segment, we will look at the same user decision, whether to lease or to buy, using the IRR method.